Yo, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Oh, sorry, that's too loud. Bring it down a little bit. How's it going? It is Tuesday evening, and we just came off of a garbage day of trading. Market was very choppy today. Just bounced around this 90, 50, 92 level down here. And as you can see, not many moves were made. The market just kind of was stuck here. Ever since the sell-off from Monday, see that huge sell-off, and we sort of are chopping around in this 52.82 to 15 zone. Not much really happened. And yeah, we got chopped up today. I blew about 6 accounts total. I blew 2 funded accounts and like 5 other eval accounts. So that's what I get for not being patient, not following my plan, and not taking failed breakdowns and just not over trading and not oversizing. Learn from me, ladies and gentlemen. Learn from me. We're in a small little trade right now. I took the... I don't even know if you want to call this a failed breakdown. It's a failed breakdown of 97, but it didn't really... So I guess I should explain. There's criteria for a failed breakdown, okay? First criteria is there has to be a previous day low or an intraday low, meaning you've hit a low at some point. Second criteria is you want to see price come back to that low and break through it. Third criteria, you want to watch price reclaim that low, so come back above it. So that's why I'm saying this is not really a failed breakdown, because this is today's low at 50.78, and we didn't break it. We didn't even get anywhere near it. But this is an evening trade. The only reason I got into it is because we reclaimed this 50.97 area, which is a major level, and we like reclaims of major levels. That shows that there is liquidity to be had. I'm in one contract. I'm in one of my funded accounts. I have currently 5 funded accounts, 2 that I've activated with Apex, 3 that are still ready waiting to go, because I don't want to get ahead of myself. And that's basically it. Yep, that's the night. So, but yeah. It always sucks having a bad day of trading. I tend to have my really bad days on days after there's trend, which are generally bad days for most people because the market's really tight and choppy and doesn't really give you good moves. And of course, after having good moves the previous day and the previous day, if there's been a lot of trending, you're just naturally inclined to think that it's going to trend again today. It's not the case. You always have to be aware of your surroundings and be aware of the market environment, because not every day is made equally. Oh, sorry about that. Let's see. Let me bring this in a little bit further. Oh no. There we go. Yeah, so as you can see, trading my Apex, I'm up about $300. Not that the profits matter, to be honest, because that's what got us into this mess in the first place, is the profits. So I was up on another account by about $5,000. I was eligible for a payout, could have taken a payout. I didn't realize that yesterday was the 15th. So with Apex, you can ask for payouts 2 times a month, on the 1st through the 5th, and then on the 15th through the 20th. And so yesterday was the 15th, and I was already down on that account by about 1,000 from, I think, the previous Friday or Sunday evening, can't remember. But I was down on that account about 1,000, or maybe I was down that day on that account at 1,000, and then I just kind of made it worse. Made it way worse today. Overtraded on it, and basically blew it. So I don't want to and that's another thing I explained earlier in some other videos. Even though I have a copy trader, I've copy traded evals to get these funded accounts. That's the way I've been able to acquire 5 funded accounts, is that I copy traded evals. But I don't think I'm going to copy trade the actual funded accounts, because it's a lot of risk. And if I'm on tilt one day, then I just blow all my funded accounts. So don't want to do that. Don't want to start from scratch. I feel like I've just been starting from scratch this whole year, to be honest with you, minus that one payout I took back in November. Well, that's what happens. Like, you get ahead, you take 2 steps back, or sorry, 2 steps forward, 1 step back, and then you're back to the drawing board. So, and honestly, I don't normally, well, that's a lie. I take more evening trades than I should. I don't like to trade the evening session. Evening session does not have a lot of volatility. There's not many moves in the evening session. Asian session's usually pretty mute, unfortunately. So, thinking I may switch my music to something, well, something else, or there we go, something more chill for a chill evening. Currently up $12.50 on this trade. Not really expecting much, to be honest. Although anytime I tend to say that, the trades usually tend to work my way. Honestly, I just want to make a short out of this. It'd be nice if this trade went my way so I can make a short. But can't hope good trades come just because you want to make shorts. And when I say short, I mean YouTube short, not that I'm going to take a short position. Although in this market, you never know. Shorts have been paying out lately, so. Normally don't stream evenings. I'll try only to stream like during the days, because that's when the best moves come. But not trying to make this an everyday thing. Trading sort of already taken a large chunk of my life, as my wife would say. I think I'm pretty moderate, but don't want to add streaming to that. So I guess I'll talk about some of my long-term trades. So I have a few long-terms right now. I have 2 brokerage accounts. I won't name which ones. In one brokerage account, I have some options and some stocks. In another brokerage account, I have all options. And thinking about moving some of that around. Obviously, we're in pretty wicked sell on the market, so I liquidated most of my shares today, liquidated some of my crypto as well, because I have shares and crypto and options in one account. So I liquidated my crypto, liquidated some of my shares, and I'm actually moving that into some other long-term options plays. Now, I don't want to really say too much about those, but the only thing I will say is that knife catch action in the market, when I say knife catch action, I mean aggressive sell-offs in the market, basically catching a falling knife, also known as sell the rips mode. So market sells down, hits a major support zone, we'll have like a little relief bounce, and then it'll just continue going back down. So the only thing I'll say about my long-term positions in relation to the market sell is sells don't just stop selling easily. Sells tend to reverse pretty violently. So what's the moral of the story? Moral of the story is don't have a short bias, or don't have an aggressive short bias. Clearly the shorts have paid out. So if you're a moderate trader, if you trade level to level, you probably caught a lot of shorts, probably up a decent amount. Congratulations. For us level to level traders, take it one trade at a time, one level to level move at a time. Didn't do such a good job of that today. Kind of kicking myself. And the day before, didn't do a very good job of that. On a normal day, I usually do. Last week and the past few weeks, I've been very good about taking my piece and moving on, and just closing out the platform. Yeah, it's tough to, know that you need to do something and want to do something, but then completely do something else. It's like you get hijacked, your emotions get hijacked, and I don't know, it's like your whole being is working against you. It's like, I know I shouldn't size up, I know I shouldn't take another trade, but then your mind and your body's like, no, come on, this is gonna be the one, you're gonna miss like a 50 or 100 point move if you don't take this. And then you take it, and then what happens? Reverses on you, or goes a couple points, doesn't do anything at all. So yeah, the one thing that I've learned that it's really hit home is that markets don't normally have follow through. Meaning the trades that you take, you can only expect a level to level move, or a one level move at the very minimum. If you're expecting more than a one level move, you're gonna be in some trouble. I'll just say that. You can't always trade hoping for the home runs. That's not realistic. You're not always gonna get home runs. In this case, we're up 62.50, so this ain't a home run. This is more like I hit a ball and I'm running first base. Anyways, actually, we could find a way to make a short out of this. So we're up. Actually, I don't know. I can't make a short out of this. It's unnatural. It feels unnatural. But we are agreeing on the evening. Hopefully continues, so I can stop streaming. Or make a short. One or the other. Market makers, if you can hear this, or if you're watching my video, please just take this to the upside. Trigger my take profit so I can make a cool short video out of this. And enjoy the rest of my evening. They definitely heard me taking it the other way. Yep, they definitely hear me. They don't care. They're like, screw this guy. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Have a good night. Stay green.